welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my weekend vlog. Yeah, we woken up, like Gaurav is already up, and now we're gonna go and do our breakfast. I'm gonna cook a breakfast, then we'll start working. We're gonna paint our apartment today, and I'll show you a little bit, of my apartment. Like, not whole apartment we're gonna paint, but yeah, we're gonna paint a living room and kitchen. That's in a worst condition. Yeah, look at this. That's our living room starting here, and that's our kitchen. I'll show you that later on. I'm gonna show you slowly. Okay, look from here. So that's the whole situation of my living room, That's the balcony there. Like, this will go. We're gonna throw it away and we're gonna buy a new sectional couch. And look at this situation. Why we are painting this apartment? Because of this. That's what Rayansh do, my son. So this is his creativity. Now we have to find a solution how to stop this creativity also. Let's just get started. Gaurav is getting bored because he was like, okay, let's start moving everything around. And yeah, we are gonna start it. Family photographs, and we made a mistake when we were putting them up. Just because they don't fall on our head, we put a double tape on the wall. Yeah, now they're like stuck there forever. Look at this. No? Okay. Alright guys, so I am ready for paint. Today me and Gaurav gonna fight because he's so done with my dramas. He's doing all the work, but I am trying to, sajao myself. Yeah, because I am doing it for the first time. I've never done paint in my life, like wall paint. So we're gonna do it. And Gaurav said, Gaurav said I'm very experienced and I did a lot of paint. I painted a lot of people's houses for the money, right? You did?
Yeah.
No, he's also new in this. We both are like totally immatures. We never painted any home, any wall, any apartment. But now we're gonna do it. Look, he's working everything. Okay, let's do this. Yay! How's it? It's good. It's matching. You said it's not matching? It's perfectly matching, man. And it's covering with just one coat. Right. Let me show you what I'm doing for now. I'm feeling pretty amazing about our job. Yay, Mr. Gaurav Sharma is so expert, and so I am. I did a great job too. Guys, so our one wall is done. This one, which was like the root cause of problem in this apartment. You can see everything is covered. And now we just bought 1 gallon of paint because we didn't know how much we're gonna use. Now we're out of it. Now we're gonna run to Home Depot again and buy it. Alright, so I've just checked this open house, board here. And I was telling Gaurav ki chalo, let's see what's going on in there. It's a rental or something, I want to tell you guys, since last 2 months, we have seen lot of apartments, but we didn't like any. There was sometimes there's no balcony, sometimes there's no oven, there's no dishwasher. There are lot of problems. So whatever we were finding in our budget, we didn't like anything as compared to our own apartment. But then one day I told Gaurav no, I want to stop right now because I'm so done of looking for apartments and making appointments and going there. And so we decided, okay, we're gonna paint our own apartment because, as I said earlier, our management is not doing it, so we're gonna do it. And that's why we're doing it, because I just wanted to share this story. We did so much apartment hunting in last 2 months that I was so done. I was like, no, I'm not gonna do it anymore. You want to say anything about it? Okay, Gaurav always gets conscious whenever I turn camera to him. How handsome he is. more than Gaurav Sharma. इतना काम कर लिया है. How do you do that? You do a lot of work, huh? We got Uber Eats from Burger King. And we're gonna sit down in our balcony and eat. Look how beautiful weather it is today. And it's changing, it's getting cold. So these pictures of New York City, guys, I bought it from Manhattan from the roadside vendors, and these are $1 each, what I remember. Yeah, I mean, like, these are so beautiful for a, like, you know, simple and very cheap backdrop. But now I'm gonna remove them and donate them to the thrift shop. Yeah, guys, our living room is done, and now it's time for kitchen. Yeah, we emptied everything. It's like the kitchen is pretty clean from this side, but yeah, from this side where we cook, you know, Indian food, tadka and all, look at all the walls in a worst condition. Let's just do it. Hi guys, so this is day 2 of my weekend vlog, and today we are going to Ikea and all the furniture stores because we really need our couch now, which was not finalized last week. We saw a few, but we didn't like any. So now today we are going for that, for the couch and for a lot of stuff in Ikea. And yeah, we're together. We're kind of matching today. Gaurav Sharma is matching with me.
Oh, chutti.
Here's my OOTD. Bodycon dress, sneakers, and a denim jacket. Yes, I really felt cold yesterday, so I thought it's gonna be cold today as well, so I'm wearing my denim jacket. We looked lot of couches, and I really loved one couch. I'm gonna insert a picture right here. I clicked a picture there, and I just loved that couch. But that was like really light color, and you know, just because of Riyansh, kids, we can't buy that because we know he gonna do something. He's gonna write something on that, or you know, he's gonna color, or he's gonna throw something, and then it will be destroyed. So we are looking for a little darker color of sofa, you know, something like black or some shade of black or something dark. That was kind of like creamish white color, and I'm sad. I really loved that couch, and it was under my budget as well. How about you, Sharma? You like that?
Yes, it was.
Yeah, he also liked it. We both liked it, but then we cannot buy just because our son doesn't like anything new. So yeah, we're moving on to another furniture stores. Yeah, and I'll let you know what we're gonna buy. Shopping from Ikea, and yeah, and there's a long queue as well to go into Ikea. If he's meeting someone, so what is the first thing you notice in that person?
Footwear. पैर साफ है, जूते अच्छे हैं. First thing.
Yeah, and that's a fact. You know, when we met Gaurav, like when I met and my friend was with me, so whenever he come to meet us, we were like, okay, hide your feet if they are like not good look, like not clean, you know, neat and clean, so that he come and he notices our feet at the first moment. So yeah, so that's the major turn off for Gaurav Sharma, if we see any like dirty shoes or dirty feet. Finally we are in, after 40 minutes being in a queue. I never stayed in a queue for 40 minutes. Did you?
No.
Whoops. Yeah, we are here. Let's start a shopping. And now we are here to eat something. Oh my god, I'm so tired. Can't even walk. How about you, Mr. Gaurav Sharma?
Tired.
Yeah, so badly tired. So we are here to eat something from Indian restaurant Mithas, that's in Hicksville. Oh my god, I'm gonna eat Chinese because I'm so craving for noodles since few days. This is mancho soup, guys. This is totally amazing. It's just like Indian mancho soup. They've added these crispy noodles in this. People generally don't do this here in America, but yeah, I love it. How beautiful their plates are. Yeah, we ate all Indian snacks, guys. That place Mithas, it's in Hicksville, New York. So if you guys want to eat like nice, snacks thing, not for the dinner, like not for something like, like you're going for a family dinner or something. No, that's not the place. But yeah, if you're going for just to munch in, snacks like chole bhature, like any Indo-Chinese food and chaat, chaat, like golgappe and all. Like chaat is like, that is very good there and I love it. So now I am gonna have coffee, guys. It was so tiring day, and yeah, and then I'm very confused about our couch. I really want a lighter color, but I don't know. I am not able to make any decision because of Freyansh. I'm like, why? He's such a boss. Like if I'm gonna buy anything, we have to think always at first about Freyansh, like what he gonna do, how he gonna deal with this thing, and then we decide to buy that thing. Like toddlers are really, 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 monsters. I feel so. He's a little cute monster. Yay! Finally, we bought our couch, guys, from Ashley. Okay, yeah. So yeah, we bought it. We just did it, but the bad thing is this: that it's gonna deliver like in early October, in 3 weeks. I feel so, or I don't know more. I hope it comes early. We told him so. Then I'm gonna show you my final home tour. So for now, that's it. Yep. Say hi, guys. Hi, guys.
Hi guys.
No, again. Okay, say hi, guys.
Hi guys.
Okay, guys, this little buddy is here. I really wanted to show him to you guys in this vlog because I think my vlogs are incomplete without this little buddy, right? Right? Yeah, so that's why I'm making his video at the end. Oh. Yeah, you love me?
Love me.
See, Mama, I
Love you.
oh, I love you too. Yeah, so we bought the white sofa. Now you promise everyone that you're not gonna destroy that white sofa. Say promise.
Pumpkin.
Say pinky promise. Pinky promise. Okay, leave my hair. Okay, give Mama kissy. Ah, give everybody kissy there. Okay, guys, thanks for watching us. Thanks for watching our vlog. We'll see you next week. Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye.
See you.
See you.
Mwah. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button if you like the video. Bye-bye. Yeah, he's repeating everything after me. Mwah.
Bye.